everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Today, I'm going to cover the upgrade process and checklist. So, this upgrade process, like what all the steps included while doing the upgrade process. Okay, before writing the request to after completion of upgrade, um, what all the steps we need to follow pre-upgrade steps and post-upgrade steps, and what are the checklist we need to follow during the upgrade process, and how do we what kind of a checklist or what kind of validations we need to do, and how do we upgrade dev instance, prod instance, and test instance. So we will see the complete upgrade process now. Okay, so this applies to whatever the whatever the versions it is. It is Washington DC or Xanadu or whatever it is. Okay, so it applies to all the versions. Okay, so let's see. Let's get started. So log into your instance or customer instance. So before we upgrade, or before we decided to upgrade our instance to the newer instance, or whatever the instance it is, whatever the version it is. Okay, so what are the steps we need to follow? So it is good to have a ServiceNow health scan whenever you are planning to upgrade. Okay, a ServiceNow health scan. Okay, so so what is this health scan? Okay, so this analyze and improve overall instance health. Okay, it's provide data on security, usability, performance, manageability, and upgradability. Recommended optimizations from maximum value. Okay, apply best practices indicators and repose deficiencies. Okay, so to get this service now health scan, you need to connect with your customer success, like a customer contact. Okay, ServiceNow, contact your ServiceNow customer success manager. Okay, uh, so he will schedule a health scan. Okay, before your upgrade, so you can decide like how your health scan it is. Okay, what is health scan? Health scan is an external application. Okay, that connects to an instance. Health scans remote locations requires to the team to connect ServiceNow to initiate a scan. Okay, so in this from this instance, okay, from this you will get to know. Let me show you some example. Okay, what all the details you will get. Okay, so you will see, if you see here, if I zoom it. Okay, so I have copied from other material. Okay, so if I zoom it, or if you see here, you can get the security, usability, performance, manageability, upgradability. So all this you will get. Okay, so all this you will get. So I think I cannot increase the size. But okay, so this is how it reports look like. So you can plan your upgrade before your upgrade. You can see that what all the security constraints you are meeting the instances. Okay, it's like your productive, your security is 77%. Okay, why 3% is decreased, usability is 87, and upgradability is 65%. Okay, so you fix all these issues. Okay, before you upgrade. Okay, you have any mandatory security constraints or all these things. Okay, you can get from the health scan report. Okay, so like that you can do the instance scan also. Okay, you can do the instance scan. Okay, so instance scan, this operate inside the customer instance. Okay, so you can control your instance scans and findings and record it on the instance. Okay, so anything, and you can instance scan you can do on certain modules or certain it's like total instance or like certain modules incident problem or whatever it is. So you can get the access upgrade, security and performance centers, all these things. Okay, so so these are the steps you can have to follow. Okay, you can get an health scan so that how secure your instance it is, or instance scan, yeah, or you can do a both scans. Okay, it's better before you upgrade, because you will get to know like how secure your instance it is. Okay, if any security constraints are missing, so you can apply before upgrading, or whatever it is. So okay, so when you start upgrading, okay, so for example, you need to follow some checklist. So you can get this checklist from the um, you know from the documents itself. Let me open that link. Okay, so there is a called upgrade planning checklist. Okay, so you can plan your upgrades, all these things. Okay, so the here like customer instance, like product instance names, production instance names, or any test instance names, you can add it here. Okay, so before upgrading, what you need to do is the phase one is you have to review the for example, if you are upgrading from uh, if you are upgrading to Xanadu. Okay, so this is the latest version, right? So Xanadu is release notes. Okay, so you follow the release notes. What all the features, what all the changes in the Xanadu release. So all these things you can consider, and you can see the pre and post upgrade tasks for various products also. Okay, so once you have, and you can click, you can download this PDF or Excel, or whatever it is. Okay, so and then you need to complete these planning tasks, like phase two, like planning how you are, what you are planning. Okay, you want to create a project plan, cloning, upgrading, testing, all these things. Okay, development and testing. So there are some points. Okay, you can follow it. Okay, so I'm not going to all the points, but because it is readily available in the documents, you can go on, you can read it. Okay. Um, the next is like phase three is like verify your upgrade configurations and schedule the development instance upgrade in now support. Okay, so now support. So these are the process. Phase three, upgrade and validate the development instance. Okay, upgrade, validate like your test instance. Okay, upgrade for the production instance. Okay, and upgrade the production instance. So all these things, you have some such kind of checklist, and you can follow it before you doing any upgrade. Okay, so now let's come to our processes. Okay, so first step we need to follow is like health scan or instance scan or scan it. Okay, uh, second is like review. Okay, review features or changes in new release. Okay, new or new releases. Okay, review features or okay, so then once you review, okay, once you review the features, then what you need to do is third one is you need to cloning. Okay, cloning is important. Okay, cloning. Okay, like from uh, prod to dev. Okay, and prod to test. Okay, if you have some sub production instances like sandbox, then what you need to do is dev to sandbox or like that. Okay, so because why we are doing like this, prod to dev, first we need to do is dev to sandbox. Okay, first you need to do is dev to sandbox, because dev to sandbox, because there are some teams, okay, working on different development activities or whatever it is. Okay, development activities, so if you are planning or dev to sandbox, then you will not miss any configurations. If some people did backup or some people did not do backup, okay, so then to avoid such kind of scenarios, you can upgrade dev to sandbox. But this sandbox instance is not available to all the customers, so only few customers are available the sandbox instance. Okay, so once this cloning is done, then you need to do prod to dev and prod to test is not now, okay, but once it is completed, then when you are planning to upgrade the test instance, then you have to do the prod to test. Okay, so not parallelly. Okay, so once you done, okay, cloning all these things, then what you need to do is you need to schedule the upgrade. Schedule the upgrade. Okay, schedule the upgrade in high instance. Okay, high portal or whatever it is, or high portal. Okay, so customer instances can be scheduled in high portal. Okay, so this schedule you need to do in high portal. For PDIs, you can do it from developer instance. Okay, developer instance. Okay, for PDI. So next, what you need to do, validate the upgrade job. Okay, so once the scheduled date and time is met, validate um, upgrade job, like how it is going. Okay, so it's like upgrade job is complete or not, what all the things you need to do it. Okay, and then um, validate upgrade job. Okay, and then is complete. Okay, so once it is complete, you need to review, like process the skipped records. So what all the records are skipped from the upgrade, you need to validate why, and you need to retain or merge or okay, returned. Okay, so all these things you need to review it. So if any changes or any process is struck because of this upgrade, you have to do the changes. Okay, so you need to do changes in the update sets. Okay, update sets, you need to do all the reviews, all these things, changes, everything. So then perform. Okay, perform test, functional testing. Okay, to verify upgrade, to verify upgrade. Okay, so this is a seventh one. Okay, so to verify the upgrade. So once this verify the upgrade is completed, then you need to plan the cloning from prod to test. The cloning from prod to test. So then you need to upgrade test. Okay, then you need to perform an UAT testing. Okay, UAT testing. Then you need to upgrade. Okay, prod instance later. Okay, upgrade prod instance later and uh, monitor prod for at least one to 2 weeks. Okay, to see any defects because of upgrade. Okay, because of upgrade. So this is the process. So we can see all this process step by step as a demo. Okay, so now what I will do is I will go to my developer instance because I don't have um, uh, the first steps is health scan and instance scan. I will not do because this is my PDI instance. So this is my new PDI instance. So there is not point to do anything. Okay, so review the features or changes in the new release. I will not review this. This we will take some other video. Okay, for this one. So cloning I will skip because I don't have any prod instance or sub production instance. I have only PDI instance. Okay, so now the schedule the upgrade in high portal. As I'm in PDI instance, I don't have any high portal. So I will go to my developer portal, and then you can see my release in Washington DC. I will upgrade it. Okay, I will upgrade to Xanadu patch 1 hotfix 2a. Okay, so I will click on upgrade instance. Instance upgrade is in process. Okay, instance upgrade is in process. So you can see the upgrading instance. Okay, so validate upgrade job is complete. So how do you validate upgrade jobs? So you have in the left navigation upgrade. Okay, so this is upgrade history. All these are legacy upgrade monitor, all these things. Okay, so you have upgrade center. This is a new one, and upgrade monitor. You can see the upgrade monitor. Dashboard will be available now. So let's wait to load that page. So it's loading the page, upgrade monitor. So uh, you can see upgrades by packing. Okay, upgrade plan or LAN. Okay, current version you can see, and the schedule upgrade is an patch 1. Okay, so estimate upgrade duration not available. So this is yet to start. Okay, all the process is going to start. Okay, all these things, and so once this is start at the back end. Okay, in the back end it is requesting, and once it is request approved or all these things, then it start upgrading process, all these things. Schedule upgrade start. Okay, you can you can see that at 911 or something. Okay, so I can click on that one, and it goes to uh, okay, so generally it goes to high portal, but per PDI we don't have any high portal, so it will not try to log in. Okay, so yeah, it will start. Okay, it will start in soon, and then it will we can see the progress. Okay, till then we can wait for a few minutes. Okay, yeah. Now you can see the complete upgrade summary report. So how do we go to this report? So let's go to system diagnostics. Under system diagnostics, you have upgrade. I mean, you have upgrade center. Sorry, upgrade center. Under upgrade center, you click on upgrade monitor. Okay, so you will get the latest UI page, the upgrade monitor UI page. So let it load again. So you can see that the instance upgrade completed successfully, and you can see the all the links available. So upgraded versions, you can see the completed upgrade summary report here, like upgraded version. So okay, yes. So previous version is Washington DC patch 8. Upgrade duration, so how long it works, like 44 minutes. So someone says that so every instance, like it takes like 44 or more or so, but it all depends on um, it all depends on the number of records in the instance, number of customization in the instance, number of nodes in the instance, size of the table. So all this depends. Okay, so based on that, the upgrade duration will be determined. Okay, so sometimes it takes like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Okay, that depends upon the instance size. Okay, we can analyze this here. Okay, and you can see the skipped record from upgrade to Xanadu. Okay, so you can see the total record changes, how many changes, what are the skipped records. There are total 39 to review 38. Already one automatically it is reviewed because of a skipped rules. Okay, skipped rules, and you can see the skipped records by priority. So how this priority will be calculated, so that we will see it. Okay, skipped record by product, so no platform, others, all these things. Skip record like code change or code unchanged, like Code change is like 7, and unable to determine is like uh, is clothed unchanged is green, and all these things you can see it here. Okay, so if you have any ATF results, okay, ATF setup, so you can set up here and you can get an automatic ATF results while access your instance health. Okay, so application upgrade status, okay, total how many, okay, how many upgraded, how many installed, how many plugins, okay, what all the plugins changed, okay, so everything you can see here. So now our basic thing what we need to do is, okay, what we need to do as a process of upgrade process, so we need to review the skipped records. Okay, so how can we review the skipped records? Okay, what we need to do? Okay, with the skipped records. So all these things we need to make a note. Okay, so here you can see the total skipped records. Click on the skipped records. Total skipped records. So here you can see the all the skipped records. Okay, 39 are there. You can see like this, or you can go to upgrade history. Okay, go to upgrade history. So the latest is like this one. Okay, you can open this one. Okay, so here upgrade review skipped records here automatically. So you have review skipped records here. Okay, so skipped changes to review, skipped changes reviewed. Okay, so copies reviewed, customizations unchanged. Okay, so you have different related tabs. Skipped changes to review. So these all the skipped changes. So these all things we need to review it. Okay, we need to review it. So before we further processes, okay, further went to upgrade process, skipped changes reviewed. So already it is reviewed automatically. So you can see auto retain. Okay, so we have some skipped rules. Okay, so out of the box skipped rules are run, so it is already skipped. Okay, and you can see always retain. Okay, so you need to make all the skipped review that you are retaining, or you are resolving the conflicts, or you are converting to record to the base record, or whatever it is. Okay, so you need to review it. Okay, so our goal is to skip changes to review. Okay, so this evaluate skipped records. Okay, based on priority. So you have the priority. If I, you can see here, um, priority 5 are there. So let's sort with priority 1 or priority 2. So you can see here easily. P2 are there. Okay, P5 are there. P2, P5. Okay, there is no P1 or P3. Okay, so what is how P2, how this priority is calculated? Okay, so this priority is calculated based on, P1 is like, XML, any modification in XML, SOAP messages, REST messages, okay, UI pages. So all this will change to P1. What is P2? P2 is nothing but like business rules. Okay, client scripts, script includes. Okay, so ACLs, all this comes as P2. What is P3? P3 is nothing but some HTML. Okay, reports. So all this come as P3. What is P4? P4 will comes like, form levels, forms, layout. All this comes as a P4. So based on these categories, okay, it will automatically classify as P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, so before, okay, so what we have here is P2. Okay, P2 we have, and let's see, you can see here, okay, resolution is not reviewed. Okay, P2 is not reviewed. Okay, what is a plugin? What is a ACLCL? What is system properties we have? Okay, so you can see here all, okay, UX component, all these things, record producer, UX component, system property, okay, script includes system properties, pages, okay, UX component. Okay, so all these things you have. Okay, so these all these things you need to review it. Okay, so this is you need to review it. How we need to review? I will let you know. I will let you know in few minutes. Okay, this is customizations unchanged. Unchanged means this is like we created a new or something. Okay, this is skipped. Okay, that we cannot do anything. Okay, so these are skipped. This we cannot do anything. Okay, customization unchanged. Changes applied. You can see what all the changes are applied. Okay, upgrade details you can see. Okay, so now let's review the skipped reviews. Okay, how we need to do it, how we need to review it. This is skipped. Okay, so let's open this file. Okay, so this is terms as priority 4. Okay, and this is skipped. Okay, why it is skipped? Okay, so upgrade history task like activate catalog mobile draft item card script action from no platform. Okay, so you can see, you can click on resolve conflicts to see what is the changes here. Okay, so you can see the changes in the highlighted color. Okay, so you can click on this script. Okay, so you can highlight where the changes is. So you can see the base system and the customized system. Okay, so in the customized, in the base system, you don't have this one. Deactivate the script once it is completed the execution. Okay, so once it is completed the execution, okay. So you need to review this code is needed or not. Okay, so if this code is needed, okay, if this code is needed, what you can do is you can you can go back. Okay, you can go back and say in the resolution, okay, here in the resolution not reviewed. Okay, reviewed means you reviewed but you did not take any action. Okay, reviewed and merged means so you combined both the base system and the customization together. Okay, and reviewed and retained means so that means this is there is no nothing changes. Okay, reviewed and reverted means converted into base system. Always retain means so there is no converting to base systems. It is always whenever there is an upgrade. So this file is always retained. So that's like okay. So these are the 5. Okay. So you understand, right? Reviewed and resolved. So we can do, for example, if I click on resolve conflicts, okay, click on resolve conflicts. What I will do is save as merge. Okay, both I will together as merge. Okay, save as merge. So then you can see reviewed and match automatically. Okay, so then if I go to upgrade history, if I go to upgrade history and click on this one, so you can see the skipped changes reviewed to, okay, skipped. So reviewed and matched. So reviewed and matched means if you see the related show related record, okay, show related record. So in that script, uh, you will have the last one is appended. Okay, so the last one is merged. Okay, so out of the box and customizations both are merged together. Okay, and if you click resolve conflicts again, so again it will go back. And if I want to convert into no, I want to convert into revert to base system, I can do that again. Revert to base system, yes, the your update version is committed. And if I click on now, okay, if I click on show related record, show related record. Now the last part will be gone because I reverted to base system. Okay, so now if I go back again, and you see the resolution is reviewed and reverted. Okay, so no, I don't want to revert. I want as it is from the back. Okay, previous version. So then you can reapply changes. You can click on reapply changes. Okay, if you click on reapply changes, so then if you reload it, so reviewed and reverted. Okay, again show related record. Okay, actually it should come if I click on resolve conflicts. So you can see there is no conflicts between. Uh, so the out of the box, the customizations is gone. Okay. So again, you have to apply those customizations again. Okay. Sometimes it will be reverted. It will reapply the changes. So yeah, as we come from reverse to base system, so that's the reason. Okay. So when we click on reapply changes, it will reapply the changes again. Okay. So like that. Okay, so like that, so you need to make an, uh, you need to do all these things. Like for example, if you are changing the script, okay, from if you are changing and you are converting back, okay, to resolve conflicts or revert to base systems, whatever it is, all these are will be stored in the. You should create one update set, okay, whatever the changes you are doing. Okay, so if I click on search, see the script action. Okay, it is captured in the update set 2 minutes ago. Okay, so the 4 minutes ago, all these details are captured in update set. So you need to capture or create one update set and capture it. Okay, because when you do the upgrade to the production environment or test environment, you need to move the update set. Like because you are not doing the same process again in the prod or test. Okay, so that's the reason you have to do in the dev instance, like skip to review changes, or you are returning that, or you are reverting back to base system, or you are merging. So whatever the decision you are taking, you need to capture in the update sets. So these update sets it should apply to dev and prod. Okay, so that's how then the automatically all the records, okay, all the records will be set. Okay, resolution should be set. So you need to review it. Okay, so once you review it, okay, and you capture in the update sets, then you need to perform the test to verify upgrade, like all the functionalities are working. Do you have any issues? Or if you have any issues, you need to again create an update set and capture those issues in the update set. Okay, and then you need to clone prod to test, and then UAT. You need to upgrade UAT, and you need to upgrade the UAT, and then you need to do test instance, and you need to do UAT, get sign off from the customer, and then finally upgrade the prod, and then move all the necessary update sets. Okay, and monitor the prod for 1 to 2 weeks for any critical, because some issues will not be noticed at the stage of test or dev. Okay, some or comes from the real-time scenarios which we will not know. Okay, so that's the reason. And then when you get any issues, you create any update sets and fix in dev, test, and prod. So that's how you need to work on the upgrade process. Okay, so I hope this video gives you some clear picture like how to do it. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.